My name is Trevor Joseph, you're watching Rolling Slow Media, and today we are on our way to South Mim Services to meet with a couple of other Porsche owners, and we're going to attempt to hit 2 cars and coffee mornings in one morning. Well, I'd say one's a morning and one's an afternoon, because yeah, by the time we finish one, it's going to be afternoon. So the first one is Porsche Club GB London meet. It's their mid-month London meet. It's the 3rd Sunday of every month. So we're going to hit there first. Second one is collecting cars, Bicester Scramble in Bicester Village in Aylesbury. This runs till 4, so it's quite perfect that the London meet finishes around 11. So we've got an hour or so to get there. Yeah, so I'm on my way to South Mim Services to meet with a couple of other owners. I'm a little bit late, so let's hopefully they will be there when I get there. But yeah, guys, stay locked. I hope you enjoy this one, and if you do, don't forget to turn on notifications and share this content with people who love it. Oh yeah, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So yeah, so follow me on Instagram as well. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's see if we can get to South Mim Services before they leave. Peace. All right, guys, we made it. Let's catch up with the guys. Morning, morning.
How you doing?
Yeah, right? Trevor.
Steve.
Nice to meet you guys.
How you doing? Right?
Yeah, all good. Spent last night washing it in the dark. So if you see any like streaks of dirt. So we got here Turbo S convertible, 997, 991. You got the spoilers out. The spoilers out. You got it in sport. You got it parked in sports mode. And this is lowered as well, isn't it?
Yeah, this is lowered, yeah. And
nice.
this one's first outing.
Aero kit.
Lowered, spaced, all new rubbers.
Yeah. Those seats look really good.
Yeah, had it all rigged up, all the interior. Like a brand new car.
Yeah. Have they been like buffed up a bit? Because they look quite. Yeah, they look quite beefy, innit?
Wheels have been done.
Guys, we've got another 991 Turbo S for the channel. Was that a Lotus?
That was a Lotus.
Yeah, a few more cars turning up. We have a GT4 and we have a Lotus. Is it a Mira?
What was this? A Mira? No. You guys doing you right?
Right? Oh, so they're not with us then?
No, not at all.
Is he alright to stay?
Yeah.
We were just discussing that. We were just having a discussion.
I'm just about.
Yeah.
Oh, so they're not with us. Where are you guys up to this morning?
Just having a little drive.
Yeah, these guys aren't with us, but still, they're out for a Sunday drive. Is what you do on a Sunday. GT4, all blacked out, the murdered out spec, red calipers, red accents on the seats, red door pulls. That is nice. Matte black wheels.
Yeah. It's massive. It's a lovely thing.
Oh, beautiful. Lotus Emira. Anyway, guys, we are on our way down to London, Lincoln Inn Fields. So yeah, let's jump in the car and get going. Right guys, so I don't know if we're gonna make it to collecting cars. Apparently you do need a ticket. I think I might just go anyway, like, sod it. We've lost one car. We're waiting the arrival of the Porsche Turbo. Oh, here he is. Nice Sunday morning drive. Yeah, it is, isn't it? 20 miles an hour, guys.
Hey, we're away from everyone.
Yeah. Right, we're just making our way through central London. There's the other guys there. Oh, they're gonna go the long way, the speed bump way. We're making our way towards Regent's Park. It's so beautiful at this time in the morning. The houses on this street are insane. I think like some diplomats live here or something. See, first speed bump. Why'd they go this way? God, I hope I haven't ripped my front spoiler off. Is it hanging? I can't tell. I'm gonna have to park. Tunnel run. The sound of the exhaust as it reverberates across the buildings around here is insane, man. It's freezing. I'm telling you, it echoes across all the buildings. It's insane. Yes, bruv. Bev! How you doing? Yeah, man. How you doing? You right?
Alright. Your car's like mine.
Yeah, it's parking next to it. Hey, buddy. You right? Alright, guys, we made it here. Let me park up, find somewhere to park. This one's Steph's. Car looks identical to mine, other than the wheels. He's put GT3 997 wheels on it. Check this Dakar, guys. Matching green rims. That's tidy. Right next to a GT3 RS. The dinner table wing. You can have your starters, main course, dessert. Yeah. And you just leave your tip there. 819. What a plate, what a plate. I wonder if the plate costs more than the car. Okay, yes, and yeah, we'll wait and see what other cars come, and then we'll do a little tour of the cars here. But yeah, still early. Definitely think it's time to grab a coffee, don't you? Yeah, let's grab one. Right guys, got the coffee, but today there isn't as many Porsches as there normally is. This whole street is normally packed full of cars, but today all the cars are down the other side. So we'll take a little walk round there where I've parked up, and we'll see what's turned up. But I think the reason why there aren't as many cars today is because of Bicester Scramble. Bicester Scramble gets like a huge selection of cars. And I think everyone's there, but it's ticket only. So if I go, there's a chance I won't be able to get in. But you know what? Hey, it's Sunday. What else am I going to be doing? So let's take a little trek round the corner, check out these cars, and then see if we can make it down to Bicester Heritage. All right?
See your channel and all that?
Yeah, it's growing slowly. Growing slowly. Yeah, always looking out for owners to do reviews on their cars, because people really like that sort of stuff, you know?
Yeah.
What are you in?
I'm in this one here.
Oh, look at, you know what, I haven't got a GT3 on the channel yet. I've got a GT3 Touring.
Oh,
yeah.
Be your man.
Yeah, you could be. You could be the first GT3 on the channel. 991.2 Carreras. Yeah, this one's been modified. Looks like it's been lowered as well. 356 convertible Cayman. I love the black against the white, or the black wheels against the white. That is nice. Now this is a lovely color. 992 Carreras. Look at the interior. What a contrast between the exterior paint and the interior. So guys, cars are starting to leave here now. I think everyone's going to be making their way to other events or home, but I know there's a few cars heading down to Bicester Heritage, sorry. So I'm hoping I can tag along with them and get down to Bicester Heritage. Yeah, check out what's going on there, because I think that's where most people are today. But yeah, I'm gonna keep having a look at, before I show you these Porsches, check out this Golf, guys. Look at that. Who doesn't love a Mark 1 Cabriolet? Let's take a look. Original Mark 1 GTI seats. Yeah, the paintwork on this is lovely. And it's an early Mark 1 as well, so it's got these slightly smaller rear lights. They updated the lights as a larger cluster for the later versions of the Mark 1. Oh, this car brings back some memories. I had about 4 of these, including a convertible. Next to that Mark 1, we have a Spider. Yeah, check the seats, guys. Lovely interior. Yeah, I think the roofs on these are manual, and you stow them away in the back. And next to the Spider, we have a lizard green Cayman. And finally, tucked away in the corner, we have a Carrera 4S 996. So I ran into a guy who owns the black GT3 just over there, and he's on his way to Bicester Heritage, so we're gonna tag along with him. I think there's a little convoy going, so let's get ready. Let's suit up, let's power up and get down there. Man, that Mark 1 is so good. Oh, you ready? Cool. Mate, love the Mark 1, man. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're on our way. We're gonna make our way now.
Give us your number, so
sure.
each other. I'll give you one ringer.
Yeah, 07841.
Okay, that's
cool.
me.
Right,
nice. We'll go together. All
right.
And then.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah. Ready. All right, let's go, guys. I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
All right, so we're just stopping for some fuel. I'm with a Cayman GTS and a GT3 992. So we're on our way to Bicester Heritage. Hopefully we're gonna get in. I think we should. But yeah, that GT3 is absolutely badass on the road. And so is the GTS, jeez. So that's Paul in the GTS, Paul in the GT3, Sonny in the GTS. Yeah, lovely guys. Just met them down at Porsche Club GB London meet. Okay, we're inside. Hopefully we'll get in. Sonny's got the ticket. I can go. Okay. Okay. Cool, got the ticket. We made it to Bicester Village. Thanks, Sonny. And big shout to Paul for sorting us out to get in. Let's go and find them. Car park is absolutely huge. So yeah, we'll see if we can find these guys. But yeah, we're just here, guys. We made it. What a thrilling drive that was. So yeah, let's climb out. Right, we made it to Bicester Heritage. There's a few cars leaving, but guys, there are so many cars here. There's going to be plenty to look at and to get around. So yeah, where's Sonny? There he is. I'm with Sonny today, so yeah, we're gonna tour the car park with Sonny and his cousin and see what cars we've got. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. When I look at this car, I'm getting Stingray / what was that show? Thunderbirds. Yeah, Thunderbirds vibes right there. That is nice. Guys, we gotta take a look at this car. So this is I think it's called the McMurtry? How do you pronounce it? Check the inside. Look at those tires. This thing's like pure electric. I think it holds the Goodwood track record. Look at the aero. This car has a fan to assist for downforce. So it can generate downforce standing still. Which one of you is a BM guy? You can tell me about this car.
I had a few 3 BMs back in the day.
What is this, guys? Getting Tesla vibes from this car. Grab myself another quick coffee. I've had about 5. Yeah, I'm totally wired now for the day. Fifth coffee of the day. Gonna be totally wired. Right, where have they gone? A couple of Alpinas just there. Oh, this is the Alpine section. Alpine? Alpine? How do you say it? Alpine? Alpine. Or Alpine? Alpine. Alpine. All right, we'll just say that. Oh, look, the old school, the original one. I like what Renault have done, man. They've like created a separate division for their sports cars and just called it Alpine. That's nice. Oh, look, there's Paul's car. He gets a chance to park here because he has a GT3 RS. Oh, he's moving it now.
So you can't be an hour if you can't.
I won't be sleeping tonight. That looks straight out of Greece, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, check this car over there. Yeah. I'm getting Greece vibes there. John Travolta. Is that a 190E? 2.5. Guys, lovely. You know what I love about Bicester Heritage? I don't know if anyone's ever been to Wörthersee, which is the Volkswagen show that used to happen in Austria. They've cancelled it now. It's no longer around, unfortunately. But I luckily got the chance to go a few years ago, and it's got to be one of the greatest car shows I've ever attended. It's in a town called Wörthersee in Austria, and cars just park up any and everywhere in this village, and it's just an amazing experience. This whole town gets turned into a car show for like a week, and it's nothing but Volkswagens, Audis, Porsches, BMWs. And when I come to Bicester, I get that same feeling. Like these cars are just, you know, nicely, casually parked amongst, you know, the nature of this place. And it's such a relaxed vibe. And yeah, this is what car shows should be about. And find nice locations and put on a nice car show and just spread the cars out. And you can see how people are just, you know, casually walking around, enjoying the cars. There's families, there's mums and dads and children. And this is a nice way to spend a Sunday, you know? Yeah, guys, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We made it to Bicester Heritage. We made it to 2 coffee mornings in one day. First we did the Porsche Club GB meet down in London, and then we made it to Bicester Heritage before everything finished. So we managed to see a couple of nice cars. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications and share the content with people who like this sort of stuff, because without you guys, I couldn't be doing this and trying to build up the channel. So yeah, anyway, I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, peace.